In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers in Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple stickers in Microsoft Word using the Labels feature. This is a simple way to arrange the same information across a page, making it useful for student information, product labels, contact details, or other types of stickers. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the Mailings tab at the top of the screen. From the options available on the ribbon, look for Labels and click on it. A Labels window will appear. This is where you can enter the information that you want to display on your stickers. For this example, let's create a simple student information sticker. In the address box, enter the information you want to appear on the sticker, such as the student name, section, subject, and school year. You can replace this information with whatever you need for your own stickers. For example, you could enter a name, product information, contact details, or any other text, depending on the type of sticker you are creating. Once you have entered the information, click the Options button. A new window will appear with different label formats. Look through the available options and find the format that has 30 labels per page. Select that option and then click OK. You will now return to the Labels window. Before creating the stickers, take a moment to check the information you entered and make sure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with the information, click New Document. Microsoft Word will automatically create a new document containing multiple stickers, arranged neatly across the page. Each sticker will use the information you entered in the Labels window. At this point, you can edit the text if necessary. You can also adjust the formatting, change the font size, or add other information depending on how you want your stickers to look. This gives you an easy way to prepare multiple copies of the same sticker without having to create each one individually. The labels are already arranged across the page, which can make the document easier to prepare for printing. Once everything looks the way you want, you can print the document on your sticker paper. After printing, you can cut the stickers out and use them for your intended purpose. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create multiple stickers in Microsoft Word using the Labels feature. With this method, you can enter your information once and have Word arrange it across the page for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,